I will be addressing the issue of getting sound through your headphone jack. First, make sure you plug in your headphones into the jack. Next, go to your speaker button, right-click on the speaker, highlight and click Sounds. Go to Playback, click on Playback, and then highlight Realtek HD Audio Second Output. Make sure you have a green check. Click OK, and this should set your sound default to your headphones jack. This will work with your smartboard and headphones. Hopefully this will eliminate the problems you have with receiving sound in that manner.